What's up, guys? This is Alec from Blackhouse Vapor Company coming at you today with another quick juice review. This time we're reviewing Gaga, another Blackhouse Signature Blend. So let's get started.
Are you listening? Damn.
So Gaga by Blackhouse is going to be a peach berry yogurt flavor, similar to the Streak by the Lost Fog line that we had a while back. It's going to be kind of a combination of a tart, more Greek-style yogurt, and then the sweet berry flavors, berry profiles, which is an interesting mix and makes for a really well-balanced flavor in my opinion. This flavor is nice in that it's sweet, but it's not too sweet, so if you're one that likes the more savory flavors, this is definitely one I'd recommend in terms of trying something a little bit on the sweeter spectrum. It's not overbearing in any way, and it's definitely not savory, but it's not overly sweet, and the fruit flavors are not artificial tasting. They're not super candy-ish, and the yogurt really does kind of bring everything together and balances it out really nicely with a light creamy sensation. In terms of temperature for this flavor, I haven't found like a super specific temperature that I like to run it at. This is probably more of a medium to a hot temperature vape, but again, that's kind of my personal opinion, and you're gonna have to play around with it yourself to find where on that spectrum, on the temperature spectrum, this flavor is going to taste best to you. Now, in terms of where this juice fits into my juice rotation, this is another one of those juices that I would consider an all-day vape. It's definitely not an all-day vape that I use often, but it's an all-day vape in that whenever I do pick up a bottle of this, I don't feel like I need to put it down. I don't feel like it's overwhelming. It always has a good flavor to it, and it never really gets old or stale in my opinion. So that's why I would consider it an all-day vape. If you are more of a savory flavor person, this may look like more of a dessert flavor to you, but I assure you that it's not overly sweet. So try it out for yourself and see where it fits into your spectrum, and that's where it fits into mine. Okay, so that's Gaga from Blackhouse, guys. Thanks for watching this quick juice review video. This has been Alec from Blackhouse, and if I gave you enough information in this video to make a decision, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the Blackhouse Vapor Company YouTube channel to see more reviews like this, as well as product reviews, actual device reviews and such. And if I haven't given you quite enough information, or you're still not sure, you're more than welcome to come down to the shop, 2148 South 900 East Suite 3 in Sugar House, and try it out for yourself and see if it is a flavor for you. But thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.